Hey everybody, it's William Narod here, the Paradise Guy. Hey, I'd like to welcome you to another episode of Paradise Property Previews. And today we're highlighting Hacienda Real. Not just any unit, we're highlighting a 3-bedroom, 3-bath penthouse. And this place is close to the beach, it's close to good restaurants, and of course it's close to shopping. So it's convenient and it's pretty nice inside, so stay tuned. Well, welcome to Hacienda Real. This condo development sits in the Santa Cruz area of Huatulco. This is the gate that you enter through from the front. As you can look through and see, the water feature next to the pool creates a beautiful sound of running water. You get your very own private parking space, and these are the stairs up to the unit. I like the views you get on the way up. I like them so much, I'm gonna look again. Yeah, that's nice. So as we enter the unit, you're gonna notice an expansive great room with a den area, a bar, a dining room, a full kitchen, and of course, a bathroom. Okay, well, here I am sitting at the bar. I know, imagine that. And I wanted to point out a few features about this condo that you are gonna be interested in. One, it will sleep 7 comfortably. It is 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths. It is one of only a few penthouse units in the entire complex. The complex is made up, I believe, of about 27 total units, only 3 of which are penthouses. So it's a very special place. It has a jacuzzi tub in the outdoor living area off the master bedroom. It has a veranda off of the living and dining room area here in front, overlooking the pool. It has a very spacious kitchen. It has a nice sitting area right here off the dining room, and over here it has a beautiful den with television and a couch. So this place is very livable. It's also very rentable. Because of its location here in Santa Cruz, you'll never be at a shortage of potential tenants. Coming out of the elevated sitting area right off the great room, you'll notice the dining table right here in the middle with seating for 8. Yes, 8. You'll also look over here and notice the kitchen with lots of countertop space, stainless steel gas stove, a nice stainless steel sink, a dishwasher, and plenty of under cabinet storage, as well as the storage here on the right. Hey, so don't waste any time, you know, properties come and go on this market very, very quickly. The demand for Huatulco properties continues to grow year after year as the popularity becomes stronger and stronger in this area of Mexico. The reason for that is because there's more direct flights happening from the United States and from Canada. People are hearing about it, well, on social media, and guess what? It just has an amazing climate. It has an incredible lifestyle. The cost of living is reasonable. So if you thought about living in Mexico, retiring here, and or spending a good amount of time here, or if you thought about just vacationing and renting a place like this, please hit me up at info@paradiseguy.com. Okay, well, if there's one thing that this unit is not lacking, it is not lacking space. It's a very large unit, over 2,000 square feet, and it's got plenty of room for not only entertaining, but plenty of room to have people sleep. And when you have lots of places for people to sleep, you've got room to produce income when you're not using the unit. So this unit, if it was optimized for rental income when you were not using it, I believe could sleep up to 10 or 12 people. Currently, it's configured to sleep 7. It's got 3 full bathrooms, so you don't have to worry about waiting in line to get in and out of the shower. Nice high ceilings, tile on the walls so you're not going to have any water damage. Of course, you got the bar here on the left, and then you've got this beautiful veranda overlooking the pool. There's a view that never gets old. Of course, if you're looking to use this unit strictly for your family and or extended family and friends, you could do that as well. You don't necessarily have to rent it out, but it is an opportunity and it is something to consider. The price point on this unit is very affordable, especially for a unit this size. As we head down the hall, you'll see a den area right now, but this could be easily enclosed and create more sleeping opportunities. Or you can just keep it the same. It's up to you. So I want to ask you guys a favor real quick. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Turn on those notifications so that you get notified as soon as I release a new video. And be sure you're watching all of the videos here on ParadiseGuy.tv. We have videos on beach clubs, beaches, restaurants, real estate, anything you can imagine when it comes to living your life and or vacationing here in beautiful Huatulco. Okay, let's head down the hall and take a look at these bedrooms. There are 3 down at the end of the hallway. The first bedroom is currently configured with 2 beds, plenty of closet space, and even good natural light. As we come out of the bedroom, we walk straight across the hall to the full bath. And then next door is another bedroom. Again, plenty of storage there on the left, a nice big king-size bed in here, and still room for nightstand tables on the side of that. Of course, there's an air conditioner and natural light in this room as well. Into the master, king-size bed, nice little built-in sofa, nice woodwork on the headboard as well. Of course, it's got its own bathroom. It's got a jacuzzi tub out on the veranda, which I'll show you more in just a second. You've got your nightstand and your television. Off the veranda outside, you can see the jacuzzi tub and the view towards the pool. Back inside, here's the indoor couch in your bedroom. And let's check out the walk-in closet. Lots of space in here, probably more than you even need. Back down the hallway, let's take one more look at the dining room and the living area. Beautiful unit. Okay, the video's not over because guess what? We have to go outside. We have to look at the pool area. We have to look at all of the amenities that exist out there. We got to look at the common areas, the landscaping, the various entrances and exits from the place. So stay tuned. Let's go outside and take a look around. Heading back outside, we come down the stairs. You can also see the view of the pool on the way down as well as the way up. So I just really like looking at pools. How about you? Walk out towards the pool. You can see it's not a small pool. You can actually swim in this pool, not just splash around. And it really accentuates the look of the courtyard. Of course, there's shady areas where you can sit and lounge. And of course, you've got this beautiful water feature. I just love the sound of running water. Okay, so let's head out the back and we're going to go check out one of the exits to the pathway that leads down towards the beach. And you'll notice these walkways have no motorized traffic on them, so you can walk and you can be assured that you're not going to be in any danger from any motorized vehicles. Heading back in, we come out towards the pool. really like the landscaping as well. Here's the other gate, out the other side of the complex. Back here in the back, you've got plenty of storage for your bicycles, your scooters, your motorcycles. And as we head back out the gate, we're going to look down the same path towards Playa Santa Cruz. Okay, we're back inside after that beautiful walk around the grounds and the swimming pool. I mean, this place is pretty spectacular, wouldn't you agree? I want to ask you a question. Do you have an interest in taking a vacation here? Do you have an interest in maybe coming and looking for property in the Huatulco area? Do you have an interest in this place specifically? No matter what, I got you covered. Hit me up at info@paradisesky.com. I'll get right back in touch with you. I'll make sure that you get all of your questions answered, that you get all the information that you need, and I'll even help you plan your trip down here to the area. So with that, thank you so much for watching Paradise Property Previews. We'll see you on the next episode. My name is William Narod. I am the Paradise Guy. See you down here soon. Cheers, my friends.